Hi, Maddie. Hello. Hey, good girl.
Hello.
Nick. Hello. We're gonna stop everything to do a Warp 9 wheel install on our first Warp 9 customer's dirt bike. This is the first set of Warp 9s that we sold. We've had a couple other guys come in. Look at that thing. Look how fucking sick this thing is. Do you mind leaving it with me overnight so that I can take a video and do a whole thing? You can just pick it up tomorrow?
Yeah, of course. So retro.
Dude, it's gonna look so fucking cool with these wheels on it.
It looks good.
Yeah, it's a good candidate. 2003 CR250, super retro. It's got all the super dope retro graphics. This bike is right up my alley, so I'm excited that this is the first bike that we're putting Warp 9s on here at Misguided Motorsports. We can get you all your Warp 9 wheels, whatever options you may want, whether it's a mag wheel, or a Supermoto setup, tubeless, whatever you may need, with tires, without them. Just give us a call or stop in and we'll make sure that you get all set up with all your Warp 9 stuff. I guess we'll just get right into it. We'll unbox these wheels. They're all black, look super cool, and I can't wait to see them on this thing. Super excited. He went with all black everything except silver spokes. We're doing a 48 tooth sprocket. Fixed rotor on the rear. He's got a floating rotor on the front. All his stock spacers and stuff should work. Man, this is a good looking wheel, isn't it?
It is, it's really nice.
I know. So I can't wait to see these on this bike. It's gonna be absolutely ridiculous. Dude, this is right up my alley too. An old big pipe having just 2-stroke power, you know, if I owned a dirt bike, this would be the dirt bike, probably. I can't get enough of it, man. It looks so cool. It looks like something like the Joker would be riding around on.
Do you think so?
Yeah. So we'll get going on this. We'll pop his back wheel off. All that we really have to do is put a different bracket in, and this should bolt together relatively quickly and easily. I think this is the bracket. Bracket. Cool. Dude, I need my fake gold tooth.
Oh, Jordans?
No.
That would be great.
No, Jordans. I'm hoping, wow, this axle is very loose. Scary loose. Good thing I got here when I did. We're just gonna do one wheel at a time. And I'm hoping that we don't have to recut and size his chain because we're going down 2 teeth on his sprocket. So again, hopefully we don't need to really do anything with his chain. It's a snug fit. Perfect size, slides right together with all your OEM stuff. We might have to get rid of this guy. We'll see.
So to get mine to work on my CRF, I had to take off this.
The chain guard.
The chain guard. So kind of a pain, but
Not really. What I just said we were gonna probably have to do is take this guy off to get it on. What's going on, man?
How you fellas doing?
Pretty good.
a little bit of a retro dirt bike today.
Oh, I was looking at it.
Yeah.
You like the colors?
Yeah, I like those colors. Not bad. Not bad.
Hi, Maddie.
He's got to get in the basement.
Oh, okay.
You can keep an eye on Madison.
I didn't think it was gonna fit. Wouldn't that have sucked, man? We're gonna get his axle all greased up too. So just like we kind of talked about, I don't think that I'm gonna need to resize his chain. We're just gonna adjust it back, and he should be good. Yeah, that'll be fine. Oh, this thing's like seized in here.
Got it.
Yeah, it shouldn't be this tight though. It's not right. It's gonna have to be where it is. And I'm gonna tell him when he picks it up that he's gonna need new chain adjusters for sure. Okay, we're just throwing the last couple pieces of the bracket back on, and then we'll go ahead and get into the front wheel. Rolls nice and smooth, dude. It looks badass, doesn't it? Oh, I'm so excited to see it. I'm so excited. I'm gonna kick it up and ride it down the street on the old Zang Dang. That's what they call these guys. The old Zang Dang. Zang Dang 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 Dang. I'm guessing we're probably gonna have to trim these fork plastics to fit the new wheel. Keep that. I don't know that we're gonna need this. Michelin Pilot Power 2CT. This is the best front tire in the game. The Dunlop is great for the back, but if you're anything like us, you're gonna want something real sticky, lot of traction up front. For your rolling burnouts, your drifting, you just want, this is what you want.
That's a clean looking wheel.
You like it?
Yeah.
The floating rotor?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
It does, doesn't it? We did need to run this. Fits in there just perfectly. So we'll mess around with this bracket. Because now that we're putting a big rotor on it, you're gonna need to space this caliper farther off the tube. But they include a nice little bracket that should do just that. I don't know that we've formally introduced my good friend Sniffin' Sack. We're gonna knock out some tires for his Volvo today. Say hi, Chase.
I'm stepping back. That's a reason.
Chase, aka Tippin' Back, heavy in the streets in Chicago. He just moved here, and he loves to come here and fucking bother me.
Use everything I can.
Use and lose everything that he possibly can. Got this guy all set up.
Check these out, though. They're self-sealing.
Huh?
They're self-sealing.
Fuck are you talking about?
Like if you get a nail on the inside of your tire, it's got like this shit in it.
Yo, what?
Right?
Where did you get
This
these?
is like $1,000 set of Michelin tires.
Well, hopefully I don't fuck them up. We'll set this to the side and roll the front wheel in to see if we need to trim this stuff up. Which I'm gonna guess that we're gonna have to do a little bit of cutting or something. Dude, we might not need to really cut anything. It looks like this, well, yeah, we're gonna have to do a little bit of trimming, I think. Maybe. Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe.
Make up your mind.
Maybe not. Maybe. Yeah, I like my new stool. What can I say? Cool, that's perfect. One bad unit. One bad mamma jamma. It is, isn't it? There it goes. It's about to go. That's the best noise in the world, right?